All right, a couple more U substitution. MOTS is a acronym we use in education, which just stands for more of the same. So more practice, nothing really new here. Integral y squared times the quantity 4 minus y cubed to the power of 2/3 dy. Remember what I said about what u is going to be? U is going to be the thing that's inside parentheses, so that's a natural choice. Also, if that's y to the third, we know the derivative of y to the third is going to be 3y squared, and we do have a y squared there that needs to be canceled out. So if we let u equal 4 minus y to the third, then our du is going to be negative 3y squared dy, which makes dy equal negative du over 3y squared. When we do our substitution, we end up with the integral y squared times u to the 2/3 times negative du over 3y squared. Simplify that. We get a 1/3 out front. Our y squareds cancel. We get a negative out front also from our negative du, and we have u to the 2/3 du left inside. That's pretty easy to deal with. We keep our negative 1/3. The antiderivative of u to the 2/3 is going to be what? U to the 5/3, and then times the reciprocal of 5/3, or 3/5, right? We're dividing by 5/3. And that's going to simplify nicely. We're going to get negative 1/5. U, which was the quantity 4 minus y cubed to the 5/3 power plus our silly c. Once again, gets real nice at this stage. Right? Once you plug the stuff in and simplify, you want something that's real easy to take the integral of. This one's cute. Integral of cosine of pi over x, all divided by x squared, dx. Natural choice for you is what's inside, which is just pi over x. We do the derivative of 1 over x. That's one of our memorized ones. That's negative 1 over x squared. So the pi doesn't change anything. It's still going to be negative pi over x squared dx, which makes our dx equal to du times x squared divided by pi negative. Divide both sides by pi, multiply both sides by x squared, we get that. All right, that's going to give us cos u over x squared. And then we're replacing dx with that. So negative du x squared over pi. Our x squareds will cancel. We can pull our negative and our over pi out front. So negative 1 over pi integral cos u du. Once again, something very nice to deal with here. That's going to be negative 1 over pi. The antiderivative of cosine is sine. And then we can do our resubstitution. U was equal to pi over x. So we have negative 1 over pi times the sine of pi over x plus c. Tons of fun. I think I'm going to let those 6 suffice for our indefinite integrals with U substitution. We still got definite integrals to go. If you still have trouble with this, we can work it out in Google Meet. See you next time.